Today I'm gonna be doing an exercise on how to simulate a Monte Carlo sales forecast with RAND function. So our objective for this exercise is I'm gonna estimate outcomes by running randomized simulations, and for the parameters I'm gonna assume average sales of 1,000. So that's the figure that I'm gonna use for my formula. So equals 1,000 multiplied by open parenthesis, then 1 plus rand function random. So open and close parenthesis, then I'm gonna multiply the 0.4, that would be 40% minus negative 0.2, and I'm gonna close it, then enter. So I'm gonna drag the formula down to 100 rows to simulate different outcomes of the scenario or the distribution. But since I started in A2, I'm gonna drag it to 101, A101 to make it 100. So I'm gonna drag it to 101. So there you have it, 101. And then I'm going back to the top. Okay, so to analyze the simulation, I'm gonna use average, max, and mean to study the distribution. So this kind of simulation mirrors uncertainty, great for scenario planning or risk assessment in finance and logistics. So I'm gonna use the average function for this. Open, then A2 colon A101. Then I'm gonna close it, enter. So I got 999 for my average. See, next thing is the maximum numbers. So equals max, open parenthesis, A2 colon A101, then close, then that would be the maximum numbers. Then for the minimum, okay, I'm gonna get, if you notice, the numbers are changing because of the rand function that we have, that is included in our formula. So for the main numbers, okay, open parenthesis, then again the range A2, then colon A101, then close it, then enter. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, it simulates a random outcome between 80% and 120% of 1,000. In other words, between 800 and 1,200 approximately. Okay, this expression generates a random multiplier between 0.8 or 80% and 1.2 or 120%, simulating a plus minus 20%. Okay, fluctuation around base value, which I have given you, the 1,000. So okay, the simulation centers around 988.56. that would be the mean numbers or the average, and then sales could spike as high as 1,191.23 for the maximum numbers, or it could drop as low as 801.88. so that would be the minimum numbers of the sales. So average would be 988, maximum sales could be 1191, and 801 for the minimum. So the average is an expected outcome, and the maximum would be the best case scenario, and the minimum would be the worst case scenario. So that's it for our exercise. I hope you like it. Okay, so that's how you utilize as a simulation of a Monte Carlo sales forecast with RAND. I hope you like this exercise, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.